Alpha charts give you fully automated charting that mirrors how experienced technical analysts draw, evaluate, and plan trades. You can open Alpha charts from the navigation sidebar, inside Ticker Viewer, or by left-clicking any row in the ticker screener. Charts are fully interactive. Zoom with the scroll wheel. Click and drag to adjust your view. And use the bottom right arrow to jump back to the latest price action. Use the price and time axis to reset the scale by double-clicking on them. Click and drag the left side of the chart to resize it. The chart info panel on the top left updates based on the date you're hovering over, showing all relevant data. All chart data is adjusted for splits and dividends to keep historical structure consistent. And Alpha charts display the daily time frame with real-time price and volume during regular and extended hours. The daily time frame is widely considered the most statistically reliable view for technical analysis. To capture overnight movement, Alpha charts include a special orange extended hours candle. After the close and during post-market, it reflects post-market price action. During pre-market, it combines both pre- and post-market into one candle so you can see the full overnight window leading into the open. Alpha charts are also earnings aware. Earnings are marked on the timeline with an E. And you can open the earnings table to review reported and projected EPS and sales in detail. Every Alpha chart, including multi-charts, shares the same toolbar controls. You can switch between candlesticks and bars. Choose your moving averages and auto-anchored VWAPs. Control which Alpha indicators are displayed. And toggle access labels to save space. A core feature of Alpha charts is the AI strategy overlay. It plots stop and target zones as a risk-reward candle, so you can judge upside versus downside instantly. In the AI strategy menu, you can let the AI select your strategy automatically, or force long or short strategies only. You can also display both strategies at the same time. Or you can also completely hide the AI strategy. When you save chart settings, they apply everywhere. And if you want to start over, reset chart settings and save to restore the default layout. You can also export charts as images by downloading or copying to clipboard. And you can open the news sidebar for your current symbol. When you want deeper context, you can jump straight into the ticker viewer from the chart using the Open in Ticker Viewer control. And if your watch list sidebar is open, you can use the arrow keys to move through symbols while the chart updates instantly, making Alpha charts a fast way to scan and validate setups across your own universe.